in Bruce Harris and Phil Kwon, we have two people of extraordinary legal background, of great judgment and skill, and folks who I think are going to make us very proud that they're justices. But also, I'm very cognizant of the fact that we have a diverse state, and our court needs to express and reflect that diversity and the experience that that diversity brings. And so when I had the additional pleasure of being able to have someone like Bruce Harris, who will be the third African-American justice in the history of our court and also the first openly gay justice, that was an extra benefit. But if that's all he brought to the table, he wouldn't be standing here today. He brings an extraordinary legal background as well, and a great judgment, a great sense of who he is and what he wants to be if he's fortunate enough to be confirmed as a justice of the Supreme Court. The same way with Phil. I think it's extraordinarily important that our growing Asian American community, who has never before been represented in our Supreme Court, be represented in our Supreme Court. Also, that Phil came to this country, was not born here, but came here. Having our first immigrant on the Supreme Court, I think, is another great milestone. What it does is not only bring different perspectives to the court, but it also allows both of these men to serve as role models for young men and women throughout this state who will be convinced by their mere presence on the court that anything is possible for any of them who have dreams and aspirations for public service in this state.